Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today I was going to make this, well actually I saw Emerald do something like this on his TV show the other day, and I thought, well, that looks pretty interesting, so I'm going to try it. So he started out with this pizza dough here and this ground beef. And the first thing I got to do is get my ground beef browned up and everything. So we're going to the Ninja FOODi here and turn on the power. And put it over here on sear saute, right down here, and that little light illuminates, and it's on high, and so I'm going to hit the start button. And now I've got this just a little bit over a half a pound of ground round here, and you can use whatever type of ground beef that you want to use. That's just what was on sale when I went to the store a while ago, and that's what I got. So hey, and so now we're going to let that warm up so we can get it all browned, and then we'll do something else. And we'll take my meat and potato masher here and start breaking this all up here in this Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Okay, now while that's getting warmed up there, I'm going to take and okay, now we've got our pizza dough rolled out here, and that all looks pretty good. Got it going good. Now, in the meantime, back over here at the Ninja FOODi Deluxe, ground beef is starting to come alive here. Starting to brown. Hey, what, that sort of smell good right there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and turn this off. I'm just going to hit the power button and turn it off here and let it cool down some. Okay, now we'll go ahead and finish browning up there a little bit. Now, next thing we're going to do, okay, this Kay likes American cheese, and I like the pepper jack cheese over here. So you just take and lay them down just like this. Now he just made his all one flavor on on the whole thing, you know. So but we like different things, so it's going to be different cheese. Now, I'm going to take my Fry Daddy scoop here. And we'll come in here and start putting this good old ground beef all over this cheese. Okay, I've got some diced up onions here. I'm going to be all over it. Alright, that's about enough of the onion deal. Now I got some of his Famous Dave's pickle chips here that I'm going to put on mine. Now Kay don't like pickles too much, so I'm just going to put them on one side. That's the good thing about this. If you're doing it like this, you know, you can sort of lay it out the way you want it. And if you're going to share it with somebody, you know, you can do half of it one way and the other half the other way. Oh, that looks good. Whoops. There you go. Now that's about enough of the pickle. Now I'm going to attempt to roll this up as best I can, but we'll see how it's going to go here. So far, so good. Oh, that looks pretty neat. It just holds together. Hold together, buddy. I swear his didn't look this big on TV, but it might have been. So, alright, now, next thing we're going to try to do is mash these ends together here, because we don't want everything just to come shooting out. So we're going to mash them together as best we can. Now I'm going to take this Ninja FOODi basket here. See if I can pick this thing up without it falling apart on me. Alright, I'm going to set it right down in there. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to take this, I can't believe it's not butter here, and spray on top of it. Get a pretty good spritzing. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to set it right down this Ninja FOODi Deluxe right here. And I'm going to shut the door. We'll turn on the power. I'll put it over here on bake. Okay, and I'm going to run the time up to 30 minutes. Alright, now we'll hit my temperature over here. I wanted it to be at 350 instead of 375. Okay, now we'll hit the start button. And there it goes. Now I don't know how it's going to turn out, but it looks pretty good. You know, famous last words. We'll see in a few minutes. Okay, now it's been cooking for 20 minutes. I'm going to take a internal temperature reading here. Well, it's only about 100. I think I want it a little bit. I want just a little bit more than that. That's a little over 100 because it keeps on cooking when I as it sits here. So I'm going to shut the lid back anyway and let it go for a few more minutes. So I really want it to be done when I take it out. You know, so we'll be back in a minute. We're down under a minute on this cook here, and every time I look at it, it sure does look good. So, while you got a chance, if you can join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching our video. It means a lot to us. And so we're going to get ready to take this thing out here in just a minute, about 30 seconds from now, and see what it is. Like I said, you see this stuff on TV when they do it, and you know they don't show you everything, so you just have to guess it. What else needs to be done? So, of course, I think if you buy something from them, they give you the recipe or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to try it like this one time. Just see. Okay, so it's done. Let's look inside. Oh boy, it sure does look good, doesn't it? And here it's sizzling away. Now, for our next trick, you get it out of this pot. Okay, now I use my fried egg scoop to get that out of there. Now, I don't know what I would do without this. I would have to try to invent one some way or another. So, now, next thing I want to do is get a knife and see if I can cut this thing in half. Okay, this looks like close to the middle. Oh, that's so crunchy and crispy. And hot. Look at that. I want to tell you right now, you can, hope I can get it so you can see it better. But you see all that this cheese down in here melted away? I've got to get it so I can turn it more. There, now you can see it. Now that looks pretty good, doesn't it? We're fixing to find out right now in a minute how good it is. So, see, it looks like the one on the right has the pickle in it. So, let me get a fork. Okay, I'm just going to try to cut into this a little bit here. Look at that. That looks delicious right there, doesn't it? And that is really good. I hope you try that sometime. Now, this is the way we're going to eat ours tonight. This is Kay's here, and she wants a little lettuce and tomato and mayo with it. Bag of chips. I'm going to have some chips too. And so, I really hope you try this, because this even turned out better than I thought. So, Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this little video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And we're really going to enjoy eating it. Look at that. Look at this, all this cheese and all that going on in there, all those flavors. Now it's going to be good eating. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. And come back and see us as soon as you can now. Goodbye.